Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video, I am going to show you an effective Bollinger Band strategy. This strategy works best with a trend-based Fibonacci extension. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly the process of using the Bollinger Band indicator with a Fibonacci extension. Before I start, you should know that the purpose of this video is for educational purpose. With that said, now let's jump right into this video. Currently, I am on the Bitcoin USD price chart, and this is the 15-minute time frame. Now let's bring out the Bollinger Band indicator. We would have to go over to the indicators and strategy section right here. When you click on this, then you search for Bollinger Bands. Now this right here, this is what we are going to use in this video, where it says Bollinger Band. And if you want to know more about this indicator, you can go over to the right side where it says show description. Then you click on this and you would see more information about the Bollinger Band, how Bollinger Band is being calculated. Everything you need to know about Bollinger Band is right here on TradingView, and you can use this to educate yourself when using this indicator. With that said, now let me show you how this strategy works. Now this is how the Bollinger Band looks like. The basic explanation of this indicator is that the Bollinger Band consists of the upper band, this top line right here, the moving average, this middle line right here, and the lower band, this last line right here. Now this is what the Bollinger Band consists of: the upper band, the moving average, and the lower band. And also you need to know that when the price is between the moving average and the upper band, that means the price is said to be in an uptrend. And when the price is within the moving average and the lower band, that means the price is said to be in a downtrend. Now that you understand how the Bollinger Band works, now let's go over to the settings of this indicator. I would have to change this from 20 to 200. I will click on OK. As you can see, the Bollinger Band has changed. So if I zoom out, this is how the Bollinger Band looks like right now. And I am going to show you my exact strategy on how I use this Bollinger Band with a trend-based Fibonacci extension. The next step would be to go over to this left bar right here. You click on this where it says Gann and Fibonacci tools and select trend-based Fibonacci extension right here. How this works is that you would have to identify the change of trend and use it to plot a Fibonacci extension where you can identify various Fib levels, and this will be helpful to you when you want to take profits on your trades. For example, looking at the Bollinger Band, when the price went from a downtrend to an uptrend as it broke the moving average to the upside, this is where I would enter a long position when there is a confirmation in change in trend. How this Fib extension works is that you would have to go to the lowest point right here and go to the highest point when there was a change in trend, and you now go to the higher low of the trend. Understand? So this is the higher low of this trend at this particular point. As you can see, this particular line right here is the higher low of the trend, and this is around 48,500. There are various Fib levels above this price chart to guide you on where to take your profit. So if I enter my trade anywhere at this level, I would get a chance to take my profit at a higher level. As you can see, the price goes up to different Fib levels. The most common Fib level in this scenario is the 1.618. Understand? So this 1.618, this blue line, is a common Fibonacci retracement level. If I had entered my trade at this low level, I would get a chance to take my first profit at the 1.618. As you can see, the price continued to go further to the 2.618. Understand? So this is exactly my strategy. When I enter at this particular position, I will get a chance to take my profit at the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and if it continues to go higher, I can take my profit at the next Fibonacci retracement level. So as you can see, at the 2.618, the price went exactly to the target, and also at the 1.618, the price came to the exact Fib level. So this is how this strategy works when you combine the Bollinger Band with a trend-based Fibonacci extension. Now let me show you another example in the price chart. Now this is an example of a downtrend using this indicator. As you can see that the price was within the upper band and the moving average, then the price broke below the moving average, and this started a downtrend. So what I would do right here is to use the trend-based Fibonacci extension, and I will draw from the upside right here to the low and back up to the lower high of this trend. The lower high is right at this level. As you can see, the price went down, understand, then came back up and made a lower high. if I was to enter this trade, I would enter at around this level when the lower high has been confirmed and the price breaks the moving average. So this is where I would enter my position and I would get a chance to take my profit at a lower level. Like I said, the price always retraced to the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. As you can see, the price came exactly to that level right here. Now this is another perfect trade using this strategy. Let me show you another example before I end this video. This is another example of a trend change using this indicator. As you can see, the price went from a downtrend and broke the moving average, which is right here, and started trading between the upper band and the moving average. So this right here confirmed an uptrend. This is exactly where I would enter a long position, at around this level when the uptrend has been confirmed using this Bollinger Band indicator. And the next step would be to use the trend-based Fibonacci extension. Since this is an example of an uptrend, I will take it from the bottom right here to the high of the trend, then I would bring it down to the low right here. So at this particular point is where I would enter my trade, and at the 1.618 Fibonacci level is where I would take my profit. Now let's go forward in price. As you can see, the price went directly to my target. So if you are taking your first profit at the 1.618, you can still get a chance to take your second profit at the 2.618. Now let's go forward in price. You would see that the price went up to the 2.618 level. As you can see, your first take profit would be at the 1.618, which is around this level. Your second take profit would be at the 2.618, which is around this level. As you can see, you entered your trade at around this level. You took your first profit at the 1.618, and at the 2.618 you would take the second profit. So this is exactly how this strategy works, and to me this is the most profitable Bollinger Band strategy to help you make more profits on your trades. A very good strategy that I use when trading. I truly hope you enjoyed this kind of content, and if you did, you can please leave a thumbs up and try subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot and I would really appreciate it if you do so. This is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.